What are you doing?
I'm hiding my toy.
Why are you hiding your toys?
I don't want to share.
Diana, that's bad. Okay?
I know.
Come here. Let me tell you a story. So this story is The Pardoner's Tale. In a lively city, three friends gathered, laughing and chatting over coffee. Little did they know, fate had a lesson for them.
Did you guys hear? Another person in the neighborhood passed away suddenly. Yeah, they say death is lurking around. It's like everyone's afraid to leave their home.
What if we find this dead character and put an end to him? We could be heroes.
Yeah, let's do it. We'd win legends in no time. Alright, let's split up and meet back here later. We'll search the whole city if we have to.
The friends set off, determined to find death. Along the way, they encountered an old woman who seemed to know more than he let on.
You seek death, do you? Well, I saw him around the corner, under that old tree.
Thanks, old woman. We'll handle it from here.
But be careful, because he's not what you think.
The friends arrived at the tree, expecting to confront Death himself. Instead, they found something unexpected.
Look! A pile of cash lying here! Forget that! We're rich! But how do we split it? We can take it all at once without raising any suspicion. I head into town and get some supplies so we can celebrate tonight.
As friend one left, the remaining two friends plotted.
If we take him out when he gets back, we can split the money for us.
No. Agreed. It means more for us.
I added something extra to their drinks. They won't see it coming.
Friend one returned with food and drinks, unaware of the treachery.
Welcome back! Let's eat!
To our newfound fortune.
But as they ate and drank, their plans unrevealed. The poison took hold, and soon all three lay still. And so the tale concludes. In seeking death, the friends met their end, a timeless lesson on the danger of avarice.
Fools. What they couldn't understand. I didn't need to find them. Their greed led them to me.
So what is the moral in the story?
Don't so greedy.
Very good! Because greediness may lead to your downfall. So what are you gonna do now?
I'm gonna get my toy and share with my cousins.